Good news first or bad news first?
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. Oftentimes we go into talks and we say, good news first or bad news first? Let me give you the answer for that. Never ask that question again. You know why? Always go bad news first. Here's the reason. When you say a bad news, the energy drops. When you say a good news, the energy rises up. So you always want to leave a conversation on a high note with higher energy to inspire people to take action, to motivate people, or to give people some gratification in their heart. So always go bad news first, then good news, so that you can put a little icing on anything that might have been burnt and leave the conversation on a higher energy note than it would have been. Much love. I see you guys in my next video.